India is the land of ethnic beauty, diverse culture, and integration. Yet, India is also the abode of millions of poor. India alone is said to host one-third of the world poor. 26% of the people in India are living a life of misery below the poverty line. Today, the poor wants to break out of the poverty trap. Given a chance, they display the strength and resilience required in breaking out of the poverty trap. Generation of self-employment opportunities for our poor folk can help to address the poverty issue in India to a large extent. Bandhan started its microfinance activities in 2002 in West Bengal and is now active in several surrounding states. It provides microloans to the underprivileged women of the society. The loans are used in an era of income generating activities.
আমরা এই যে বন্ধন থেকে কিছু সাহায্য পাচ্ছি, মানে কিছু লোনটা যে পাচ্ছি, টাকাটা পাচ্ছি, তা থেকে আমরা কিছু কাজ করতে পারছি এবং আমরা ছোট্ট করে কিছু আয় করতে পারছি। এটাই আমাদের খুব ভালো লাগে, কারণ আমরা তো আগে কিছুই পেয়েছিলাম না। সেটাই আমাদের খুব ভালো লাগছে, একটার পর একটা ধাপে আমরা উঠতে পারছি।
আমি টাকা নিয়েছি বন্ধন অফিস থেকে। আমি টাকা নিয়ে কাজে লেগেছি জরির কাজের জন্য। প্রথমে ঢাড্ডা কেনা হয়েছে, বন্ধনের মিটোই টাকা মিটোই সংসার চালাই, আপদ বিপদ, মেয়েদের ছেলে মেয়েদের পড়ানো শেখানো এইগুলোই করি। আমি যতকাল আমার যতকাল চলবে আমি ততকালই যুক্ত রাখবো।
While giving microloans, Bandhan ensures that they are given only to women and for income generation purposes. Today, Manoj, a credit officer, is going to the weekly meeting of the group named Dopati, which take place in one of the borrowers' house. During the meeting, the microcredit borrowers will pay their weekly installments. In addition, the members will also discuss various social issues. The group has a president, a cashier, and a secretary. Each one of them is entrusted with specific responsibilities. Experience over the years reveals that the members are also requesting for a wider range of solutions beside the microloan. To cater to their needs, Bandhan has developed specific solutions. A micro-enterprise program for entrepreneurs who are looking for a higher loan to expand the business. A specially designed hardcore poor program to reach the poorest of the poor. And a health loan to take care of the health concerns of the borrowers. Maximum of Bandhan's staff are based at the field itself, with the exception of few based at the head office. At the HO, located in Salt Lake City, Calcutta, we have the employees working in different departments, namely operations, HR, accounts, MIS, and others. Besides the CEO, there are 3 directors who look after varied aspects of the organization.
Growth of a Bandhan is a tremendous, but we believe that the growth will depend on the some components. The major component is the staff commitment, and the staff commitment has also depend on the some other sub content. That contents we tell them, one is called the transparency of the organization. The microcredit borrower have been graduated as a micro enterprise borrower, but in the future I am seeing that the micro enterprise borrower will become as a SME borrower, small and medium enterprise. Bandhan uniqueness is there that every time Bandhan is learning from the field. If we see that the first when we started in a simple way, simplicity is Bandhan first things, and the second one is their innovative Bandhan things, that the staff commitment. Also we are every time is learning for the poor people. How can you simplify it? How can you give the other services to the poor family which is neat, but not in a charitable way? It will be in a sustainable way. How development will be sustainable without a grant? That is the main motto and the innovative things in Bandhan to prove it, and which is ongoing now.